Right, hello. So we've got this latest Wahoo Element Roam 3 bike computer for my rides. Let's unbox it. Right, so that's the device. Let's see what's inside. We've got a bike mount. We have got a charging cable for it and a lanyard to be used. Right, okay. So there we go. And that's the device. It's a sleek looking Element Roam 3. Look at the photos and online I thought it's a bit bigger, but that's sleek and compact. Let's turn it on. Okay, while it turns on, let's see what do we have here. I couldn't get a bundle, so I had to buy a ticker fit. That's my heartbeat monitor, and then I've got a cadence device. Right, let's start with the cadence device. It's warming up. Right, there's the device, and that's the band for it. Okay, let's do it quickly. Okay, it's going to go around my forearm. I wasn't too keen about the chest one. Gets loosened up, so that's not fit. And so here we have another strap as well to be used. And probably this one loosens up. I hope it doesn't loosen up too soon. Right. Okay. Nice. Okay. Let me just take it off. We'll be inaugurating it on my first 300 kilometer BRM. It's happening on the 16th of August from Dehradun to Ambala and back. Alright, so we're done with this one, and then we have here a cadence monitor. And those casing. Okay, so we have here that looks like a shoe mount, and this looks like a cover so that I could put it on my crank arm of my cycle. But since I've got a gravel and an MTB, I'm going to use the shoe one so that I do not face issues with changing the crank every time I'm ending up buying another cadence meter, because I'm already paid a fortune for this one. Yeah, so that's on. Right, okay, let's set it up here. Connecting. Yeah, let's connect it to the app. Right.